ducttapeanddenim.com. This is probably the biggest project I have done. I'm gonna do a laundry sign today. It says, "This house has endless laughter, love, and laundry." And all the supplies that I show you today can be found on my Chalk Couture site, which is ducttapeanddenim.com/Chalk Couture. Some of the transfers are just one big piece, and some of them have separate pieces. Like this one has the words, and then it has these little lines. And see this solid line here? Let me hold it up so you can see it. See the solid line here? That's where you're supposed to cut. So I got my scissors here, and I'm gonna cut it. So what my idea is, I'm gonna do this in the center, and then I'm gonna do this on the top and bottom. The colors I'm using today, Storm, which is a gray, Peacock, which is my favorite kind of turquoise color. There's something you have to do at the beginning. You have to fuzz it. And that's where you take a towel or a terry cloth or some kind of fabric that has fuzz on it. And first, before you stick this to a chalkboard or any surface, you're gonna stick it to the towel first. And you do that mainly because this thing is so super sticky that it's gonna be really hard to get off of a chalkboard if you don't do this to it first.